Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare Kovle Sasam. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 cup of medium-sized chopped ashgod, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to roast the ingredients for the ground masala paste, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 4 to 5 green chilli roughly chopped, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of grated jaggery, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to prepare the tempering, half to 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, few curry leaf, and finally 3 to 4 dried red chilli. Firstly, to begin with, take a small pan or a tempering pan. Once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this transfer the roughly chopped green chilli and mustard seed. Saute and roast this slightly until the green chilli color changes. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that transfer 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, roasted ingredients and half to 1 cup of water and grind this into a smooth consistency paste. Once your ground masala paste is ready, take a pan or kadai and into that add 1 cup of water. Add the chopped ashgod and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give everything a good mix and allow this mixture to boil. Once the water starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and cover this and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the ashgod is nicely cooked. After about 10 to 15 minutes, we can see that the ashgod is nicely cooked. It's turned translucent and is also easily breakable. Now into this add 1 teaspoon of grated jaggery and give everything a good mix. Once the jaggery is dissolved completely, into this add the previously prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer jar with 1 cup of water and add that as well. Give everything a good mix and add little extra salt as per your preference and mix everything once again. Now cook this in high flame until the gravy begins to boil, and once it starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and cook this until the raw smell from the coconut completely disappears. After about 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, we can see that our ashgod gravy is nicely thickened. This is the exact consistency we require. Next, take a tempering pan and into that add the oil, mustard seed, curry leaf and dried red chilli and prepare the tempering. Now transfer the Kovle Sasam into a serving bowl and into this add the prepared tempering. And now your delicious Kovle Sasam is ready. This is an excellent side dish which you can have along with rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.